Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I thought I would just share with you guys some succulents that I bought a few months ago now, so I haven't had them very long. They are Tacitus Bellus, I think it is. I can't really remember exactly. I do know it's Tacitus, but they are in absolutely spectacular bloom. Really impressive for a succulent. Generally not a fan of succulent flowers, but this one here is just incredible. The colour on it is just stunning. Nice full blooms. I believe it's also known as Christmas cheer. That is because they do come out around Christmas time, and considering we're around 20 something days off now, they're right on time. These guys, I did show them when I first got them, and they were a bit smaller. I noticed they were growing quite quickly, so I put them into these bigger pots, and it's paid off. They've actually grown a lot. They were much smaller, probably more around this size, and I water these guys pretty heavily because they are actively growing and making lots of pups, which is nice because friends and family have spotted this one and everyone wants one, so I'll have to lift them and take these pups off soon so that I can share them. Now the Tacitus, I believe, are related to Echeverias or Echeverias, however you want to say it. So I believe they're related to them. So as you can see, rosettes sort of forming, nice juicy thick leaves. And I've got these guys growing in a position where they receive several hours of direct sun. However, they will actually receive some protection from the afternoon sun, although I've had them in a few positions. They haven't really shown a dislike to any one area. When I had them in a super sunny spot, the leaves started doing this, which is just a little bit of scorching, but they recovered really quickly. Not like a cactus that takes forever to recover if you put it somewhere it doesn't like. I believe these flower at a young age, and the basis of that theory is that this pup here is starting to flower. Not as impressive as the main ones, but still it's only a pup, and that pup has just popped up since I've owned the plant, so it's only a few months. But pretty impressive flower. I'll see how close I can get before the camera decides it doesn't want to shoot anymore. As you can see, they're absolutely stunning vivid pink, which I really like. But yeah, if you can get your hands on one of these, definitely recommend it. I don't know if they grow from leaf cuttings. I haven't tried as yet, but I will definitely be taking the pups off so that I can share some with friends and family. The only thing that I do recommend with any succulent that's rosette forming is when you see the leaves like this that are dead, I try and remove them, and I just do that by pulling out. That one wasn't ready because it's broken off, so usually the whole leaf will come out like that. And the reason that I do that is so that if the body of the plant gets wet, which I do try and avoid, if it does, when the leaf starts to, the dead leaf starts to rot, that it doesn't actually cause damage to the plant. Alright everyone, I hope you found the video interesting. If you have any questions, definitely do leave me a comment below. I try and answer them as often as I can, but as the subscribers grow, so does the comments. So if I take a little while to respond, just bear with me. I will get to each and every one eventually. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye!